A solution of glucose in water is labeled as 10%. Okay, what would be the molality and mole fraction of each component in the solution? If the density of the solution is 1.2 gram per milliliter, then what shall be the molarity of the solution? So we have to find molality, then mole fraction and molarity. First, we can find molality. Okay, for doing a numerical, always identify the context. Okay, here mass percentage is given. If mass percentage is given, finding molality is very easy. Okay, so I will explain that. See, 10%, right? Mass percentage. What is the meaning of that? Meaning is, see, 10 gram of solute. What is solute? Glucose is present in 100 gram of solution. 100 gram of solution. Okay, so you understand the mass of solute. What is that? 10 gram. Correct. Now it is very easy for you to find the mass of solvent, that is water. What is that? Total mass of solution minus mass of the solute, you will get mass of the solvent. Correct, right? How to find molality if mass percentage is given? It is very easy. Directly apply the equation of molality. Molality M is equal to number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kilogram. Okay, so we can find the number of moles of solute first. What is solute? Glucose. Okay, what is glucose? C6H12O6. Correct. Okay, what is the mass of glucose given in the question? 10, right? 10 gram. Now what is the molar mass? Molar mass of the glucose we have to find C6. So 6 into 12. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 12, right? Hydrogen is how many hydrogen? 12 hydrogen. So atomic mass is 1 into 12 plus oxygen. How many oxygen? 6. And what is atomic mass? 16. On calculating you will be getting 180. Now we can find the number of moles of glucose. How? What is the equation? It is mass by molar mass. What is that? 10 by 180. On calculating what you will get? 0.056. Now apply that value here. We have to find molality, right? 0.056 divided by what is the mass of water? 90. But we need that value in kilogram, not in gram. So convert it into kilogram. 90 into 10 raised to minus 3. And you will be getting 0.062. So what is our answer? 0.62. Okay, so 0.62. What is the unit? Unit is mole per kg or small m. Both are okay. Answer is 0.62. Okay, 0.62 m. Now we are going to find mole fraction. Okay, mole fraction. Okay, see, during the calculation of molality, we already have some values, right? Which are the mass of the solute, that is glucose, is 10 gram. Molar mass is what? We already find it, 180 gram. Okay, mass of the solvent. What is solvent? Here water, right? What is that? We already find it, 90 gram. Molar mass of water is what? H2O. H, hydrogen 1 into 2 plus oxygen 16. Okay, 1 into 2 plus 16. All of you know it, right? 18 gram. Molar mass is 18 gram. Correct, right? Now directly apply the equation of mole fraction. What is that? Mole fraction of glucose is equal to number of moles of glucose by total number of moles. Understand, right? Now once you find the mole fraction of glucose, you can find the mole fraction of water. How? By subtracting it from 1. Right? Now it is very easy how to find the number of moles of glucose. Number of moles of glucose is equal to mass of glucose by molar mass of glucose, correct? So what is that? Mass is 10. What is molar mass? Molar mass is 10 by 180. That is 0.056. Correct? Now, how to find the number of moles of water? See, it is again very easy. What is that? Number of moles of water is equal to mass of water by molar mass of water. What is that? 90 by 18. Correct? 90 by 18. Correct, right? On calculating, what you will get? 5. So we got number of moles of glucose, number of moles of water. Directly apply in this equation. You will be getting the mole fraction of glucose. So what is that? 0.056 by 5 plus 0.056. So on calculating, you will be getting like 0.011. There is no unit for mole fraction. Now how to find the mole fraction of water? It is 1 minus, what is chi b? 0.011. And what you will get? You will be getting like 0.989. Okay, so mole fraction of glucose is 0.011 and mole fraction of water is 0.989. 0.989. Okay, hope you understand. Now we have to find molarity, right? Finding molarity is very easy if mass, percentage and density is given. Directly we have an equation. What is that? Molarity M is equal to mass percentage into density into 10 by molar mass of the solute. Right? All values are given. Mass percentage is 10, density is 1.2 into 10 by molar mass of glucose. We already find, what is that? 180. On calculating, you will be getting like 0.66. What is the unit? Capital M or mole per liter, right? So we got molality, mole fraction and molarity.